Mari Maradam, I am Dr. B. Chandrasekhar Reddy, lecturer in statistics, SR Government Degree College, Pungalore, Chittoor district. Today we are going to discuss about sampling theory, or is also known as theory of sampling. In this chapter, we will discuss what is sampling, what is the need of sampling, importance of sampling, or use of sampling, and different sampling techniques. Before going to discuss about theory of sampling, first of all, let us study some important terms used in the theory of sampling. First one is population. A population is nothing but a group of objects or individuals under study. That means a population is a whole group of living things or non-living things which we are going to study about those things. And population is finite or infinite. Population is called finite if it is countable, and population is called infinite if it is not countable. Next one is sample. A sample is nothing but a part of population which is selected for our study is known as sample. In other words, sample is a subset of population and which is selected for some study is known as sample. And from the picture you can observe that population is a large group which we want to test or study. For this purpose, if we select a part of population, a small group from the large group, then it is nothing but sample. Next important terms we have parameter and statistic. Parameter is nothing but any statistical measure which is computed from the population data is known as parameter, and the statistic is nothing but any statistical measure which is computed from the sample data. To avoid the confusion between population and sample characteristics, Professor R. Fisher defined population characteristic as parameter and sample characteristic as statistic.